So on the search bar of your browser, you want to typing in for turbotax.ca, which will open up the TurboTax website, and hit the sign up button at the top right of the screen. Over here, you may enter your own email, your brand new user ID, and the new password for your account, and then your phone number. After you are good, you want to hit the create an Intuit account at the bottom of the screen. TurboTax then will send you an SMS or text message through your phone number, and you may enter the 6-digit code from their message and hit the continue button. If you do not get the message, you may click on resend code, so TurboTax will send you another code. Or you may also choose them to call you, and then the 6-digit code will be given to you in that call. And there you go, you may start to file your own taxes on TurboTax. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.